Imagine walking into your financial advisor's office, but instead of your trusted advisor, you're greeted by a screen, an algorithm that never sleeps, never takes breaks, and never asks for a raise. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now in 2026. Artificial intelligence is tearing apart the financial advice industry and rebuilding it from scratch. But the real story isn't about robots stealing jobs. It's far more complex and more terrifying than that simple narrative. Stay until the end, because what you're about to discover will change how you think about your money and your financial future. And if you're serious about understanding these revolutions, subscribe to QO Documentary. Here's what's actually happening inside wealth management firms right now. In January 2026, firms began reporting they've completely eliminated paraplanners. The people who used to spend hours preparing for client meetings, that work now takes 15 minutes, done entirely by AI. One firm reported moving tens of thousands of client accounts in just 17 minutes. Work that previously required an entire team working through the weekend. Tools like Jump AI and Altitude CRM now attend meetings, take notes, update client records, and send follow-ups automatically. Financial advisors who spent 20 hours weekly on administrative work now spend maybe 2 hours. The time savings are absolutely staggering. But here's the twist nobody saw coming. Financial advisor jobs aren't disappearing. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects 17% growth through 2033, one of the highest growth rates for any AI-affected profession. Morgan Stanley, partnered with OpenAI JP Morgan, is testing AI copilots. Every major firm is racing to integrate AI, not to replace humans, but to augment them. So, if advisors aren't being replaced, what's really happening? The answer reveals the future of every knowledge-based job in America. The financial advice industry is being sorted into winners and losers based on one brutal question. What value do you actually provide? The losers are obvious, but back office workers are being decimated. Paraplanners have vanished. Anyone whose job involves processing paperwork, transferring accounts, or handling routine tasks is vulnerable. These aren't theoretical casualties. These are real people discovering their skills are obsolete overnight. Average financial advisors are in serious trouble. The ones whose entire value was building basic portfolios and occasionally rebalancing them. The advisors charging 1% to do work a robo-advisor does for 25 basis points. One industry veteran with 34 years experience put it bluntly, AI may soon provide better financial advice than average human advisors. Not because AI is smarter, but because average advisors don't provide much value beyond basic portfolio management, and that's exactly what AI excels at. But elite advisors are thriving. These are professionals who moved beyond basic portfolio management years ago. They're financial therapists, tax strategists, estate planning experts. The advisor's clients call for major life decisions, not just portfolio rebalancing. For them, AI is a gift. It eliminates tedious work, freeing them to focus entirely on high-value, deeply personal work that only humans can do. The traits of winners are clear. They embrace technology rather than resist it. They have high emotional intelligence. They're excellent storytellers who translate AI-generated data into personalized, actionable narratives. The wealthiest clients are driving this division. People with complex portfolios need human expertise and will pay for it. Mass market investors with simple needs are comfortable with automation. The middle is getting absolutely crushed. Remember when everyone predicted robo-advisors would replace human financial advisors? It didn't happen. Pure robo-advisors charge 25 basis points versus 1% for humans, 4 times cheaper. So why hasn't everyone switched? Because robo-advisors are good at exactly one thing: basic investment management. They can build diversified portfolios, rebalance automatically, do tax laws, harvesting, but they're terrible at everything else. And everything else is actually most of what financial advisors do. Robo-advisors can't help you decide when to retire. They can't navigate the emotional complexity of inheriting money from a deceased parent. They can't help plan your daughter's wedding while saving for retirement. They can't talk you off the ledge when markets crash and you're tempted to sell everything. Vanguard studied 1,500 investors and found something fascinating. People believed human advice provides 5% annual value versus 3% for digital-only advice. What this reveals is that people understand algorithmic limitations. Yes, robo-advisors generate decent returns, but humans provide something more valuable: confidence, guidance, and peace of mind through complex decisions and turbulent markets. AI fails at real personalization, not surface-level risk tolerance adjustments, but understanding that you have concentrated company stock from your startup that just went public and need to diversify without triggering massive tax bills. AI fails at emotional intelligence. When markets crashed in March 2020, good advisors spent hours on the phone with panicked clients, preventing catastrophic decisions. An algorithm sends reassuring emails with historical data, but it can't hear the tremor in your voice and know you need more than data. AI fails at judgment. What happens when your client is going through a divorce and needs to understand long-term settlement implications? What happens when someone inherits a failing family business? These situations require wisdom, not just intelligence. They require understanding human nature, family dynamics, psychology, and values. They require patterns from decades of experience that no training data can capture. But we need to talk about the dangers because they're real and already manifesting. When your robo-advisor makes a bad decision, who do you sue? The algorithm isn't a legal person. The company claims they just provided a tool, not advice. The regulatory framework hasn't caught up. AI systems hallucinate facts with absolute confidence. When they're wrong, they're spectacularly, catastrophically wrong. Without human oversight, these errors destroy lives. AI perpetuates historical biases at scale. Training data reflects decades of discriminatory lending and investment patterns. We're already seeing this in credit scoring algorithms. And there's a security nightmare. AI systems are being targeted by sophisticated cyber attacks. Hackers use AI to generate more convincing fraud. The same technology making services efficient also makes them vulnerable. Perhaps most concerning is what experts call the judgment gap. AI brings tremendous speed to financial services, but that speed creates the risk of false precision. Without human review and real judgment behind outputs, AI can misread situations and mislead clients. The technology is advancing faster than our ability to use it wisely. So, is AI replacing your financial advisor? The answer is both yes and no, and understanding the difference is critical. If your advisor's primary value is building basic portfolios and charging 1% for work an algorithm does better and cheaper, then yes, they're being replaced. That replacement is happening right now. It's not coming, it's here. But if your advisor truly understands your life, your goals, your fears, and your dreams, someone who guides you through emotional and psychological challenges of wealth, someone who brings wisdom, judgment, and empathy, then no, they're not being replaced. They're being enhanced by AI tools that make them more effective. The real story isn't technology versus humanity. It's about what we value and what we're willing to pay for. It's about automation of routine work and elevation of human expertise. It's about efficiency and empathy, algorithms and judgment, data and wisdom. For consumers, this offers opportunities and risks. The opportunity is better, cheaper, more accessible financial services. The risk is over-reliance on algorithms that can't handle complexity or emotion. For financial advisors, this is an existential moment. Adapt or die isn't hyperbole, it's reality. Advisors who embrace AI, who use it to become genuinely indispensable to clients, will thrive. Those who resist are already on the way out. And for society, this is a preview of what's coming in every knowledge profession. The sorting happening in financial advice, workers divided into those who work with AI and those replaced by it. This pattern will repeat across law, medicine, accounting, consulting, and countless other fields. The question isn't whether AI will change your relationship with financial advice. It already has. The question is whether you understand what's happening, what it means for your money, and how to navigate this new landscape. Because in an age of emotion-driven financial mistakes, having someone or something that helps you make better decisions is more valuable than ever. Whether that someone is human or algorithmic might matter less than you think. What matters is getting it right. This is Keo Documentary. If this deep dive opened your eyes to how AI is reshaping our world, subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell. We're just getting started uncovering the stories that matter, the transformations you need to understand, and the future arriving faster than anyone expected. The smartest financial decision you can make. Stay informed, stay curious, and never stop questioning.